Hey everybody, Colin Reed here with MarineMax in Charleston, South Carolina. Today I'd like to show you a new inventory piece of ours. It's a 2025 290 SDX from Sea Ray. We do have the boat equipped in the full hull color of Sea Ray blue. You will see that in the pictures. Paired beautifully with these white twin 250 V8 Mercury Verados from Mercury. Here at the transom of the boat, we have nice large loungers, nice big beefy seats with nice upholstery. We do have the dune interior equipped on this boat to go nicely with that Sea Ray blue. Nice storage, cup holders, and another larger storage at the back here. As we move in through the transom door, we'd like to point out a couple of nice features here. We do have a 12-volt plug for any watercraft items that you may want to blow up while you're on board. Control for our Fusion stereo system. That way you don't have to leave the transom as you're hanging out. We do have a nice insulated cooler box here as well. And then a nice transom door to be able to block it off from any guests or pets. As we do enter in, we do have a freshwater hose. Any wash down that you'd like to do to be able to keep the boat clean. A nice boarding step here. Allows you to board from the starboard side just as easily as the port. We do have a nice Corian countertop setup here. We do have nice storage that is set up to be a cooler, is drained. And then we do have a freshwater sink under this piece of Corian countertop as well. Below, we have a trash receptacle and storage. Then here we do have a nice refrigerator as well. Once again, nice big beefy seating throughout. Has ample storage underneath all seats, along with storage underneath this large lounger as well. As you can see, we have several things down below. Great place to throw any beach bags, umbrellas, coolers as you are underway on this Sea Ray 290 SDX outboard. We do have more transformative seating up here, so if you wanted to be able to face aft, this will rotate over, allowing a nice lounger to have a nice inclusive social zone here. If you wanted to face forward, nice beefy seat and a flip up bolster to be able to sit up a little bit higher, see over the windshield. We do have a nice glove box storage here. We have a couple rags washed down, stowed in there now. And then our onboard head is a vacuum flush head and a freshwater sink as well. At the helm here, we have the upgraded Mercury binnacle, have control over each of those 250 Mercury Verados from Mercury. We do have a JPO powered boat here, so nice joystick option. We'll have our skyhook features and autopilot as well. Nice Simrad here, large display on this boat. Toggle switching throughout to be able to control bilge pumps, water pumps, and any other lighting that you may have. Fusion stereo system throughout the boat. Very nice upgraded sound system on this boat. As we walk through, we do have storage underneath the helm as well. We do have the ability to be able to block off this area if you wanted some cooler month running, along with the flip over windshield as well. Nice large seating up in the bow as well. I'm 6'4" for reference, so very large space to be able to have multiple adults and children up here. Nice, easy, comfortable place. We do have an insert here as well to be able to put a bow table in, allow you to have any lunch on the water that you would like to at the sandbar or wherever you may be boating. Nice hand-stitched interior that I mentioned earlier. Do have our anchor locker here. It is equipped with a windlass, can be controlled at the helm or via remote here as well. Thanks for joining me today on this walkthrough video of the 2025 Sea Ray 290 SDX. If you'd like to learn more about this or any other boats that we offer here at MarineMax, please check us out at marinemax.com or give us a call at 843-747-1889. Once again, I'm Colin Reed. Thanks for watching.